See?
At 86 years old.
At 86 years old. You're never too old for makeup. All right, guys, today is Makeup with Grandma.
Yeah?
I'm talking to the camera. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Today, I'm in Florida at my family's house, and we're gonna just call this video Makeup with Grandma. You know, I'll have her pick some makeup for me. She'll question me. She's always asking me why I put so much on, but I really like makeup. I mean, look at them. They're so cute. That's Kong. That's Duke. That's Goliath. And that's Doobie. All right.
And that television in there, I can't understand it.
You can't?
No.
Well, I'll help you figure it out.
It's Netflix and all that stuff.
Yeah, I'll help you figure it out.
You can?
Yeah. Grandma, you're gonna be picking my makeup today.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, here are my bags because when we were on the plane, I couldn't bring it in one big bag. I had to make sure that all of them fit in plastic bags. As my mom told me to. No, I do what mom says. All right, so Grandma, you're gonna be picking what makeup I use.
Huh?
You're gonna be picking the makeup I use. So we've got this foundation and this foundation. Which one, Grandma? You're picking it for me. Which one?
That one there.
She picked this one. Okay. Now, unless you want foundation on your face, you should move. Okay? Go play. No! No! You want foundation too? They want makeup! Go. Both of you go. Alright, Grandma picked this foundation. Got my Sephora mirror. You're literally propped up on a water bottle, if y'all can see. There's the water bottle, yep. Okay. Let's do this with my damp beauty blender. I'm going in. Yeah, Duke? Duke is like,
Huh?
I think Duke needs water. You sound like you're dying. Whoa, just blinded myself. Oh, God. All right, the foundation is on. Grandma, this is the foundation you picked.
Yeah.
Does it look nice? Does it look good?
Very nice.
Thank you, thank you. I'm not done yet.
Well, you wouldn't be able to go to class looking like this.
What do you mean?
No, because it takes you too long.
I just get up early. I don't really wear that much makeup to school.
Huh?
I don't really wear that much makeup to school. Ooh, goo, goo. Hey, do you want some? Boop, boop, boop. Whoa. Somebody's here. Concealer.
What's
Do I?
that?
It's for under my eyes. Do I use it or no? Do I have any bags?
Huh?
Do I have any bags under my eyes?
Well, yes, you could use it.
Is that a yes? Are there bags under my eyes? Are there? All right, Grandma. I'm using the concealer. See? Like that.
Huh?
Do I look like a clown?
You do. You're just like, what's his name?
This is concealer. Who? No. Don't not touch me. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. I love it. Highly recommend.
How long do you have spent picking out this makeup.
Are you asking me how long it takes to put on?
Yes. No, but how long does it take you to shop for all this stuff in the store?
Well, I could be in a makeup store for about an hour.
Jeez.
I'm indecisive. I never know what I want. Could you put your head any farther in the bucket? Yeah. Hi, baby. Do you want to be a beauty guru? Your slobber is not very beautiful. All right. Time to bake my face. I don't really use that much. I just like to set it. So it's not really like baking, but maybe it is. I don't really know. All right, Grandma. Which mascara should I use? I've got CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion. I've got CoverGirl Super Size Me or L'Oreal Voluminous.
Use that last one.
The L'Oreal?
Yeah. No.
This one?
Yes.
CoverGirl Super Size Me. Chosen by Grandma.
Huh?
Good job. Good choice. Other side. Grandma, do you ever wear any makeup?
Huh?
How much makeup did you used to wear?
I never use makeup.
You was a natural beauty?
Yes.
Yes. Did you ever wear mascara?
Huh?
Did you ever use mascara?
No.
Well, you had to put lipstick on.
Yeah, lipstick.
No foundation?
No.
Wow.
Yes, she's right out here doing her makeup. Wait a minute.
Okay. Hi, Mom. Do you know what this is?
No, that's from India.
India?
Yeah, is that what it says?
No, it says hula. It's a bronzer.
Is it what?
Bronzer. It goes on your cheekbones. I just brought a little sample size so that I could travel with it.
And where are you putting that?
On my cheekbones. Right here.
And you just done that before.
What do you mean? I was doing foundation before.
Well, foundation is fine.
Yeah, but I want to have my cheekbones pop out. Cheekbone. You'll see. It'll look good. I'm teaching you. See?
At 86 years old.
At 86 years old, you're never too old for makeup. All right, this, you use a fluffy brush, like blush. And you dab, poof, and then it just makes you look tanner. Who?
She has very high,
Cheekbones?
yes.
I don't know. What's he in?
Huh?
What movies is he in?
No, he's a singer.
Oh.
John Legend.
Oh, John Legend?
Yeah.
Act like John Legend's wife?
Yes.
Well, that's a compliment.
Huh?
That's a nice compliment. Thank you. See? Doesn't that look nice? She's looking at me with that look of disapproval.
I thought that was supposed to be for your cheekbones.
Yeah, but it also goes on your forehead.
Huh?
It also goes on your forehead. It's to make you look tanner and to accentuate.
Well, you know something, if you sat out here in the sun, you would get a nice... Huh?
I can't tan. Look at me. I don't tan.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. I really don't. I wish I could. Does it look good, Grandma?
Huh?
Do I look good?
You don't look any different.
Well,
You look like What, Duncan
Duncan who?
Hartford Bolt?
Grandma with the insults. Okay, say bye, Grandma. Yeah, you're in a video. You're gonna be a superstar.
I am.
Yeah.
Bye, bye.
That's the best outro. I didn't do my eyebrows. You know what? It's okay. I don't have anybody to impress. I tried to impress my grandma, but she just questions makeup. You know, 86 years old. She just does not understand. But, I guess we don't need eyebrows today. See you guys.